another story. So this one is Supertato. Now this is one of my class's favourites this year, so I'm going to share it all with you because I'm sure we will read this book lots in September. So this is by Sue Hendra and Paul Lennart, and this is Supertato, Veggies Assemble. What's your favourite vegetable? So many to pick. Okay. It was night time in the supermarket and everybody was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Someone was looking for trouble. Mwah ha ha ha. Soon this supermarket will be mine, all mine. And with one click, all of the freezers were switched off. You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they turn bad, really bad. And the baddest of them all is Evil Pea. Wakey, wakey, he called. One Evil Pea is bad enough, but now there were bags of them. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it, panicked Peppa. Save me, stuttered Pear. Save me, begged Melon. Save me, cried Carrot. I'm melting, pleaded Lolly, and time is running out. Was there anyone who could save them? Supertato to the rescue. But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed, that's what, cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. Supertato was thrown onto the conveyor belt and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Was this the end of Supertato? I'm going to need some backup. If I can just call the... Who do you think he's going to call? Super Veggies to the rescue. They used their ninja know-how. Hi-ya! They used their massive muscles. They used fancy footwork and they used a box with a door cut in it. But what about the lollies? And where was Supertato? Sorry I'm late, I just needed to pick up some dessert. And now for those freezers. And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper. Who ordered the vegetables? Said Evil Pea. You think you've beaten me, but I'm going to. You're going to do what? Asked Supertato. 3 cheers for Supertato, shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed. I couldn't have done it without the super veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable, I'm a fruit, says Tomato. And everybody laughed and cheered. So with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Isn't it wonderful, said one lolly to the other. We're all back to normal again. The end. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that book and I hope you're all keeping well over summer and I'm sure you're doing lots and lots of fun activities. I can't wait to see you all in September, so take care everybody and I'll see you next time.